Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to make big letters small in Word. Let's go. Open the Word document you need. We will begin with the easiest way. Select the text you need and press Shift F3 on your keyboard. Easy, right? Let's move on to another option. Select the text you need and click on Change Case. Under Font, select lowercase. You can also go back to capital letters if you choose uppercase. You can also make every word begin with a capital letter. Select the text you need and click on Change Case under Font. Select Capitalize each word. If you want your text to look funky, select jOGGLE case from the list. If you want your text to look like regular text, so each sentence will begin with a big letter, select the text you need and click on Change Case. Select Sentence Case. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!